What is NFC on iPhone 11 Pro Max and how to use it?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss a feature on your iPhone 11 Pro Max that might sound a bit technical but is incredibly handy: NFC, or Near-Field Communication. We'll explore what NFC is and how you can use it on your iPhone.
What is NFC?
NFC stands for Near-Field Communication, a set of communication protocols that enable two electronic devices to establish communication when they are within 4 centimeters, about 2 inches, of each other. It's similar to Bluetooth, but instead of pairing and setting up devices, with NFC, you just bring your devices close together to start data transfer or communication. In the case of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the NFC technology enables features like Apple Pay and the ability to read NFC tags that trigger a certain action on the phone, such as opening a website or launching an app.
How to use NFC on iPhone 11 Pro Max?
NFC on the iPhone is quite straightforward to use. Let's break it down. 1. Using NFC for Apple Pay. To use NFC for Apple Pay, follow these steps. First, add your credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. Then, when you're ready to make a payment, double-click the side button and glance at your iPhone to authenticate with Face ID, or enter your passcode. Hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless reader until you see "Done" and a check mark on the display. 2. Reading NFC tags. To read an NFC tag with your iPhone 11 Pro Max, make sure your iPhone is unlocked. Tap the top of your iPhone to the NFC tag. The information from the tag will pop up on your screen. Remember, you don't need an app to read NFC tags unless they're encoded with a certain type of data like a website URL or contact details. NFC might sound technical, but it's an incredibly useful feature once you start using it. Whether you're making a payment with Apple Pay or using an NFC tag to quickly open a website, NFC on your iPhone 11 Pro Max simplifies your digital interactions. I hope this guide has made this technology a little less daunting. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.